If you like what you see, why don't you think about subscribing? And make sure to check out my channel for videos just like this. Y'all, look at this beautiful sunset with the rides. Oh man, that is beautiful. I'm about to get a better picture with this because this is just too beautiful to pass up. I know exactly where to go to. Got a snowman, Spurs with a basketball head. Hilarious. What's his name? My new snow. Behind me we got the Coca-Cola bear. Not bad. It's not a bad event. I'm not into Christmas, I don't celebrate Christmas, but it is a nice little, they did a good job as far as what they're trying to achieve, so not bad at all. Alright y'all, so I'm heading to my first show here. Now where do I want to sit? Beautiful. The lights flicker. It's really cool. Really, really cool. The gimbal doesn't want to act right. This guy's a champ. He has been playing all day. Alright, so this is the last thing I'm doing today, which is the beluga whale show. Now, I'm not going to sit for the whole thing because I'm sure it's going to be a mad rush to get out of here. But I am going to sit for enough of it to get some good pictures and stuff. And as you can see, they got it all decked out. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Alright, so this is the stadium. First time coming here. And it is huge. Wow. I don't know where to sit at.
reminder, face coverings are required at all times in this venue. Thank you, and enjoy the holidays here at SeaWorld San Antonio.
Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bell.
Alright, so I am hustling to my next spot. Okay, so as we head out, I just want to take you all on a quick little tour. So we got the beautiful lake over here. Nice and quiet. And then as you can see, we got beautiful steel eel. Now I will tell you all, I actually, I rode the ride 3 times. The first time was a bus because of that story I told you all about my camera. The second time, I got the footage, so whatever, it was fine. The third time, so I started to go ahead and decide to ride in the back. One, I forgot my sunglasses were kind of like perched to my shirt, so they flew off immediately, gone. And then after that, I didn't, my lap bar wasn't all the way down because they never checked it. And so I was like, okay, I'm gonna get a lot of air time. That thing threw me into that lap bar so hard, I mean, I almost threw up. Like, it hurt so bad. And it wasn't once, 3 different times that happened. So yeah, lap bars are there for a reason. And then this is the lake. Alright folks, I am leaving SeaWorld. This is a really, really good time. Nice atmosphere, not too many people. The rides are not bad. And the best ride here is definitely Texas Stingray. It's so smooth for a wooden coaster. Anyway, I just want to let you all know what's going on. Sorry about the wobbliness. My gimbal's in my book bag right now. I didn't feel like pulling it out. Again, it's your boy MrBucketlist. Peace out.
Thanks for watching the video. If you like what you saw, please check out my channel for more videos just like this. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. Until then, I'll see you next time. Peace.